So this video was a message that I sent to the children in my preschool pilot. And rather than creating a brand new one, it's just easier if you just watch this. So this is how I explained it to children. But this is all about the coding poster. There are two. There's an A3 one and an A4 one. I use the A3 regardless of age. And that's because they push themselves to go up to the next level in the time. So if they just have their code level, they can't push themselves further. But it's up to the child. On the A3 one, there are also 100 high frequency words, so they can do that at the same time.
Boys and girls, this is very exciting. So this is the coding poster that the children use in big school. Look at this. Wow, all these visual prompts, all these sound pics and the monsters, not just the green code level, the purple code level and the yellow code level and the blue code level. And then we've got some words, like the words you've started to look at. Oh, look, there's the silly schwa in Santa. So, a Santa. So we've got the monsters and the sound pics for the green code level, which is what you've already started doing. And there's even more. Oh, look, my nails are kind of pinky red today, aren't they? I thought I'd fancied a change. So if we turn over, look, here, sip, sip, ant, tap, tap, put at and pan, put it and pin, ap, nap, at and man. There's some new ones. So start on these and see what you can do. Now you can see all of these in the video that's called Chants. Ask your mummy to find it for you. And then here we've got our speedy duck level words. And you've also got a video in the Speedy Sight Words video channel where we've got all of these monstered in level 1. So I'm going to make sure that's there today if you want to have a look at them. So you can go the, I, and, is, on. You might even cross them out with your pen. So when you've duck hand the, you might cross it out. I, and, is. She might cross them out. Now, if you go down to here, oh my goodness me, look at this sentence. We've got the ant, or the ant and the pan. So here, because this is the good thing with the coding poster, you can just rub it off. So here we've got our put it in sound pics, but we've also got like the and a. So you can start reading these sentences. Now on these, you can use your duck hands. After you've got to the end where it's a full stop, you see that means it's the end of that sentence. When you've got to the end of there, you can read it in a speaking voice. So you can use your duck hands, but then you need to read it in a speaking voice. You might go, the ant and the pan. And then this one here, look at this one here. Is, look, that's one of our words. Is the, there's another of our words, the pin in the pan. So you can write on it, do it how you want. When you're working on a sentence, you might want to put a square around it. It's up to you. So have a little explore of it. I'll show you in another session, I'll show you in another video how to use this bit, but why don't you start here? So what you can do is, look, there's monsters, so we've got to make sure we say s, and then you can go slither down the snake, round the apple, up and down the leaf, t, down the tower, across the tower, p, down his plat, up round his head, down his body and dot for his head, down knobby, up and over his neck. And you can practice that letter formation. So we can write on the top of there, can't we? Now I use my board so that I can really see what it is that I'm working on. Now if you can write over there like that, so if you can draw them over the top, then when you've drawn them over the top, they have a practice here. So do some slither down the snakes. You're right there, Sam. Slither down the snake and do some as. Do as many as you want. Just a few minutes. Now when I've finished on there, I would put my board here because I want to be able to just look at these words without having to look at the whole coding poster. So I might go at, sat, at, pat, it and pin, it and tin, but don't forget to rub them out afterwards. So have a little go and let me know.
So this is somebody in prep and she's got her duck hands ready because when the teacher says go, she's going to get on. But if you're going to an SSP school, you'll already be able to do this.
So your writing hand and your duck hand. Go.
And here they're reading the sentences. These are the sentences you'll be reading.
The pin is in the tin.
The pin is in the tin. The ant is on the tap. Nan sat on the pin. Ouch! What clever children.
Stan. Hello, Stan. Speaky words.
Okay, you can do your purple decodable words down the bottom. Use your duck hands if you need to.
At the mat. J e n t o gentle pot pot k e.
Okay, read the purple sentences.
The ant is on the tap. Pat sits on the tin. The man and the dog sat in the gap. Man.
Yep.
The dad.
Yep.
The diddle.
Yep. Good boy, keep going.
Lamp.
Yep.
Dap. Old central.
Well done.
And is in on the tap.
Good boy. Speaking voice.
The ant is on the tap.
Good boy. Next one.
At pat sit on the tin.
Speaking voice.
Pat sits on the tin.
Good boy. Next one.
Looking up here. Now I'm just checking, is everybody on the home page of the app? I can see, oh, this one's not. We need to go right back to the home page. And you need to go back to the home page. We're all starting together all at once. Now we need to press the spot down the bottom that's got the green monster eating the laptop. Can you all press that button, please?
That's okay, Sam. You did it last time.
Excellent.
It's okay.
Now I want you to scroll down to the green code levels. Brilliant.
Banana, apple, banana. Eat. Yeah. Have we done last? Yes. Oh, now first.
Wow. Oh, look, what's he doing? He's very happy.
Next one, concentrating. Finish it.
It's in the pan. In.
Wow. So every day you try and get a bit faster, don't you? Yeah. Wow. That's amazing.
I can't hear what you're up to because I can't.
Yeah. I know, for me as well, I can't remember. I did this one so long ago. What's that word? What's that sentence?
Okay, this one.
What's that sentence?
Stand, sit on the pins.
Oh, and stand, it, spit, stand, spit,
spit.
That's a tricky one. That's a tricky one.
I should plug into these. They're all the same now.
What's that one?
Stand, spit, stand, pips.
Yes, stand, spit,
Stand.
stand, spit, pips. How fast was I? Was I really
The
fast?
ant is on the... I was quite quiet when I said it, but I said it the same with you.
You said the same speed as me. Well, you're just a superstar.
I can hear you.
High five.
I can hear you in here.
Oh, can you hear me in there? Oh, goodness me.
You in there.
Am I in there?
You're in there.
Oh, what do you have to do now? Do you have to write now? Are you going to show me your letter formation now?
Yeah.
Oh, ah.
And
Can you do them that fast?
Just. Oh.
Oh.
Just. I've already done it. Can you see this? Jack.
Oh, you'd have to rub off your board first. So next time it comes in, you can probably pause it, rub off your board and start again, couldn't you?
Okay.
And then you can actually, if you know those, you can write them as fast as you can see them. That'll challenge you. We're always up for a challenge. Purple level, it means when we come to the coding poster, you're going to know some of those, aren't you? Here. That's why we do this first, so that when you go onto this, you can remember see what you remember.
We've done the purple level.
Are you on the purple level? You're just too clever.
Awards when we post to work, please. Who does post to work?
I love the poster work and I love how organised you all are. Do you know how lucky you are that you've got such an organised teacher? She's making sure you know exactly what you need to do. Where am I?
There.
Where am I with my cup of
Tea.
tea? I love
After Andy say, the king says doo-doo, and you have all cup of tea.
and I have my cup of tea.
Are you staying here all day?
I am going to stay just the morning, but then I'll come back again tomorrow.
Trump now. Ring ding 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 wing ding wow. Wing ding fleeting jittering toad. 8 bangs I find chasing down the road. Jelly belly, he's a belly chicken licking spoon. Timble, tumble, tumbling, rumble, flying to the moon.
The is and
Most amazing thing in college is not your way donuts.
Cups.